Are you ready to transform your bathroom into a stunning oasis of style and relaxation? In this video, we'll explore some inspiring bathroom tile design ideas that will elevate the look and feel of your space. Whether you're starting from scratch or planning a renovation, these tile designs will spark your creativity and help you achieve the bathroom of your dreams. Don't be afraid to mix and match different tile styles to create a unique and personalized bathroom. Combining textures, colors, and patterns can result in a stunning mosaic of creativity. In conclusion, your bathroom's tile design is a fantastic opportunity to express your style and personality. Whether you opt for the timeless elegance of white tiles, the opulence of mosaics, the natural beauty of stone, the modern flair of geometric patterns, the sparkle of glass, or the nostalgia of vintage tiles, the possibilities are endless. So, let your imagination run wild and transform your bathroom into a space that not only serves its purpose but also fills you with pride and joy every time you step in. If you found these bathroom tile design ideas inspiring, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!